Most people think Amazon just reacts to what you search. That's surface level. The reality is much more aggressive. Amazon is constantly trying to predict what you're going to buy before you even decide. Every click, every search, every product you view, how long you stay, what you ignore, it's all being tracked and turned into signals. The goal is simple: reduce your thinking time and push you closer to a purchase. Now think about this in a simple way. You search for a phone once, and suddenly you start seeing accessories, cases, chargers, even related products you didn't consider. That's not coincidence. Amazon analyzes patterns across millions of users. If people who bought a phone also tend to buy a case within a few days, the system will push that suggestion to you immediately. It's not guessing randomly, it's using behavior patterns to predict your next move. At the core of this system are recommendation engines and predictive models. One of the key ideas is collaborative filtering. If users with similar behavior bought certain products, you're likely to buy them too. But Amazon doesn't stop there. It combines this with browsing history, purchase frequency, price sensitivity, and even timing. For example, if you regularly shop at the end of the month, the system adapts. If you respond to discounts, it shows you more deals. Everything is optimized around your behavior. But here's where it gets even more strategic. Amazon doesn't just predict what you'll buy, it tries to influence what you buy. The order of products, the frequently bought together section, limited time offers, personalized recommendations. All of this is designed to guide your decisions. You feel like you're choosing freely, but the system is shaping those choices in the background. This level of prediction comes from years of data accumulation and system design. Early recommendation systems were basic, but Amazon kept refining them, turning data into one of its strongest competitive advantages. Small improvements in prediction can lead to massive increases in revenue when applied at scale. Now with AI, this system is even more powerful. Predictions update in real time, adapting to your latest actions. Add one product to your cart, and the entire recommendation system adjusts instantly. It's not static, it's constantly learning. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You're not just a customer in this system. You're a data source. Every interaction improves the model, making it better not just for you, but for millions of other users. And over time, the system becomes more accurate, more persuasive, and more effective. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't just to explain how companies operate, it's to show how they think. Because once you understand how Amazon predicts behavior, you stop seeing online shopping as random and start seeing it as a highly optimized system designed to maximize decisions. And that's when you begin to understand how powerful data-driven businesses really are.